By signing up for a Study Island free trial, you've already completed the first step to enter the Study Island Chromebook giveaway. To complete your entry, you need to create at least 3 student users in your account, create a class, and add your students to the class. Have your students answer at least 30 total questions, and launch a group session and have students answer a total of at least 10 group session questions. If these actions are completed during your trial and by January 31st, 2020, you'll be entered to win 25 Chromebooks for your school. Thanks for signing up for a Study Island free trial. Follow these quick and easy steps to get started with this robust formative assessment and practice program. Step 1, add users. Once you've confirmed your information and your email address, the next thing you need to do is add students to your account. To do that, head to the Roster Management page and select Manage Users. If you're adding just a few students, you can select Add an Individual User and enroll them one at a time. If you're adding a class or more, you'll want to import a list. The Import Users page gives you step-by-step instructions for importing users into your account. If other educators will be using the trial, you'll need to create teacher accounts for them. You can add them individually the same way that you add students. Just be sure to make the role teacher, and as long as the email login information button is set to yes, Study Island will automatically email them their login information. If you want teachers to be able to add a few of their own students, head to the admin page, Teacher Permission section, and give each teacher that permission. Once teachers log in, they can add individual students from the teacher page. Step 2, create a class. Now that you have users in your account, you need to create a class. Classes in Study Island are simply a way to group students in order to assign content and so that you can track student progress through reporting and the data dashboard, Sensei. Creating a class is quick and easy. Just head to Class Manager, add a new class, name your class, and add students. Teachers can have multiple classes and students can be enrolled in multiple classes. If other educators will be using the trial account, they can follow these same steps to create their own class or classes. Just be sure you've enrolled students into the program, or give them the permission to add their own students. Step 3, start using Study Island. As soon as students are enrolled in Study Island, they can log in and start using the program. Generate the class roster for your class to access login credentials. For easy distribution, you can print login cards for your students. When students log in, they head to their state programs, select a grade, subject, and then a topic, and they can start working right away. You can let your students choose the topic themselves, tell them which topic to work on, or assign them a topic using Study Island's assignment feature. To view how your students are performing, check out your Data Dashboard Sensei. Or one of the many available reports. All student data in Study Island is saved and available in a variety of formats to suit your needs. If you want to explore Study Island content from your teacher account, simply head to the Content Search section. Select your state, program, and subject, and then browse the topics. Once you select a topic, you can launch any of the available lessons, flashcards, or sessions, and even generate a printable worksheet. Step 4, check out group sessions. Group sessions is one of the most popular features in Study Island. It allows you to engage your entire class or group of students in a live classroom response session. You launch the question, and your students respond, giving you real-time insight into who's getting it and who needs additional support. To launch a group session, simply head to Class Manager, select your class, and add an assignment. Then select Group Session. You can choose a checkpoint session, which is teacher-led and non-competitive, or you can choose one of the two competitive game-based modes, Challenge or Race. The two game-based modes made their debut in early 2019 to rave reviews from both educators and students. Once you select Create an Assignment, simply follow the prompts on the page to set up your session. Then, you can launch it as soon as you create it, or you can create your group session ahead of time so that it's ready to go when you need it. If you need assistance while creating your group session, there are short tutorials built directly into Study Island. Click on the Learn How button below each group session type, or head to the Help Center for other resources. And Step 5, explore the rest of what Study Island has to offer. In this video, we've only covered a few aspects of Study Island, but there is so much more to this program. During your trial, be sure to explore the Teacher Toolkit to access resources like lesson plans, video lessons, and virtual labs. Utilize Test Builder to create custom unit or common assessments with questions from Study Island's bank of more than 600,000 multiple choice and technology enhanced items. And leverage the content search feature to assign targeted practice. If you need assistance while using the program, access the tutorials and step-by-step instructions in the Help Center, or contact Edmentum support. For Study Island implementation ideas, check out live or recorded webinars on Edmentum.com, and posts on the Edmentum blog. To learn more about how other educators are successfully implementing Study Island, peruse the variety of success stories published to Edmentum.com. Now, you're ready to get started. Be sure to complete the giveaway entry requirements during your trial and before January 31st, 2020, and you'll be entered to win a set of 25 Chromebooks for your school.